friends, welcome to my channel Math segment. Today let us solve some more MCQs and formulas from the chapter Polynomials, which is based on SSLC Board Exam 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Today in this chapter Polynomial, we'll start with formulas. The linear polynomial where the standard form is ax plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the degree is 1. Next, quadratic polynomial, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, degree is 2. Third formula, cubic polynomial, where the standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus 1, where a is not equal to 0. The degree is 3. The meaning of a is not equal to 0 means where the coefficient of ax, that means here a is not equal to 0. Next formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, or we can also read it as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So this formula, it is called as division algorithm for polynomial. Next formula, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So this formula is known as quadratic polynomial. Next formula, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the terms, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c by a. So this is called sum of the terms, this is called product of the terms. So these are the formulas which we are learning in the chapter Polynomials. Let us start with the MCQs. First question, the degree of a linear polynomial is. So this is, all these three questions are based on the formula. The degree of a linear polynomial is. So we have read linear polynomial, the degree is 1. The next question, the degree of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x to the power of 3 plus 2. So here the degree of the polynomial, the equation is given. So where we have to see the highest power. So which is the highest power? That itself is the degree of the polynomial. So here the highest power is 3. So the option D is the correct answer. The next question, the degree of the zero polynomial. So the zero polynomial is. So here, what do you mean by zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is a polynomial in which the coefficients are 0. For example, here you have a coefficient as 1, here you have a coefficient as 3. So, and you have a term as 2. So, but all these coefficients will be 0. So, when it is 0, then we call it as zero polynomial. So, here 0 polynomial means here it is undefined. Undefined means where we cannot express or we cannot explain. So that means, so when you cannot express anything, then the degree of the zero polynomial is always 0. So A is the correct option. Let's solve the next question. The general form of a quadratic polynomial. Again, this is in the formula list. So what is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? That is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So the option B is the correct answer. Next question, the graph represents the polynomial y is equal to p of x. Find the number of zeros. So in this question, the graph is given. We have to identify the number of zeros. So how to identify the number of zeros means any graph which intersects the line x-axis. So we have to count the number of points, how many places where it intersects. So here in this question, the graph is intersecting at 1, 2, 3 points. So that means the number of 0 is 3. Why? If they ask you the reason, then we can tell because the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 different points. So that is why D is 3. Let's do the next question. The graph represents the polynomial y is equal to p of x. Find the number of zeros. So similar question to the previous one. Given graph is not intersecting at x-axis. So that is why the option D is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. If 1 is the zeros of the polynomial x square plus kx minus 4, then k value is what? So that means 0, 1, that is zeros of the polynomial they given as 1. So we have to take the equation, the given equation, that is x square plus kx minus 4. So here the given 0 of the polynomial is 1. That means in place of x we have to substitute 1. So when we substitute 1 here, that is k into 1 minus 4. 1 square is 1 plus k ones are k only minus 4. So the equation you have to write it down as equal to 0. So k 1 minus 4 becomes, that is k minus 3 is equal to 0. When you take minus 3 the other side, it will become 3. So k value is 3. So the correct option D is the right answer. Let's do the next sum. If one of the zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is what? This sum is also similar to the previous question, but the options are given in the fraction, so I am just doing this sum once more. So that means I'll take the option equation kx square plus 3x plus k. So you can take the equation as 0. And what is this? One of the zeros given? It is 2. So that means in place of x we'll write 2. In place of x we are writing 2 plus k is equal to 0. So k, 2 square is 4. So that means it will become 4k. Plus 3 2s are, it becomes 6 plus k is equal to 0. So this is constant and this is constant values. So k plus 4k plus k is equal to 0 minus 6. Plus 6 goes that side, became minus 6. So in this what is common? K is common. So it becomes 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 6. So here k, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, is equal to minus 6. So therefore k is equal to minus 6 by 5. So minus 6 by 5, the option B is the correct answer. Let's do the next sum. If x is equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x, x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus k, find the value of k. So the difference between this question and the previous question is where they had given the quadratic polynomial, but whereas here they have given us cubic polynomial. Method is same, only the equations is changing. So here let us take the cubic polynomial, that is 4x plus k. So here the value of the 0 is 1. So that is 1 cube minus 2x square plus 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus k equal to 0. So 1 cube is 1 only, minus into plus becomes minus. So that is 2 plus into plus becomes plus, 4 ones are 4 plus k is equal to 0. So all are constant values. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 3. So where is the D option minus 3? It is in the D. This is the correct option. Let's do the next sum. If p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20, the factor for this polynomial is, that means here p of x is given, you have to find the factor. Factor here means it is the divisor. So we have to find out the divisor, or we can also tell the 0 of the polynomial. So now to find out that each term x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, we have to choose which is the correct answer. So let us do one by one and check if LHS is, if you are getting, if LHS is equal to RHS, then you can take this option as your right answer. So here that is p of x value given as x minus x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20. So if I take the first factor, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0, I can take x is equal to 10 plus 2, that side will become minus 2. So in place of x, I will take it as minus 2. So here it becomes minus 2 whole cube minus 4 into 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 20 equal to 0. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That is nothing but minus 8. So here minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4. So plus 4 it is. Minus into plus is minus. So 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4. Plus 20 is equal to 0. So now here minus 16 and minus 8 is minus 24. Plus 4 plus 20 is 24, which is equal to 0. Minus 24 plus 24 is equal to 0, or you can write 0 equal to 0. See, now I am getting both the side is equal to 0. So that means we can select the first option, that is x plus 2. If you want, you can try with other numbers in the similar way and find out whether you are getting x 0 is equal to 0. Let's solve the next question. Which of the following is the 0 of the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4? So that means here they have given you the polynomial. So now we have to find out the 0 of the polynomial. So here in the given question, that is x square plus 4x plus 4. So if from the previous question to this question, what was the difference? There they had given you x plus 2, but here only they have given you 2. So what can we do? We cannot write 2 value as the x value, because we have to identify the 0 of the polynomial. So that means in the given polynomial, what we can do is, it is a trinomial. So in case of trinomial, we can do only factorization. So to do the factorization, we have to follow a few steps. That is, the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of last term is 4. So here it becomes 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So I have to take the factors of 4, so that if I multiply the factor, I have to get 4, and if I add or subtract, I have to get the middle term. So what is the tables I can take here? The only option I can take is 2 and 2, because 2 2s are 4. If I add 2 plus 2, also I am getting the middle term. So now the question arises to put the sign. So since here both the places plus sign is there, it does not matter. So straight away I can put plus and plus. The variable given here is x. When it is coming in minus place, then I will explain you at that time. So now the middle term we can write it as 2x and 2x. So x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can do it by grouping, and now we can take it by common factors. Here x square plus 2x is there. So both the places x's are there, so I can take 1x out. So here 2x square was there, that means 2x were there. I removed 1x, remaining is 1x, plus 2x is there. That means x is gone out. What is remaining here? It is 2 plus. But here now in both the places we have the numbers. So in this, which table this goes in 2 and 4? So the common factor is 2. So x plus 2 equal to 0. So to know whether you are doing correct, you just check in the brackets whether you are getting the same terms. When you are getting the same terms, that means you are doing the factorization correct. So what is in the bracket? X plus 2 is in the bracket. Outside the bracket it is x here. Outside the bracket of this term it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. The meaning of this is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Each term is equal to 0. So I am separating each term. Okay. So now here it becomes x is equal to, I am setting plus 2 that side, so it became minus 2. Here also I am setting plus 2 that side, so that it becomes also minus 2. So both the x values we are getting minus 2. The option B is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. When x to the power of 6 minus 2x to the power of 5 minus 2x plus 2 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is. So this question is different from the previous question, is where it has come divided. So divided means you have to do it in the division process. So now here, see, when the polynomial is given, so before starting to divide, you have to check whether the degrees of the polynomial is in the decreasing order. If it is not in the decreasing order, we have to put it in the decreasing order. Now for example, here you have x to the power of 6 minus 2x5. See, the degree is 6, the degree is 5. The next degree should be 4, but the next degree is not 4. So I can put 0 x to the power of 4. Next I can take even 0x3 is missing. I can take x3 plus 0x2 minus 2x plus 2. See, the degrees are in the decreasing order. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So always when we are dividing, it should be in this order. You have to check for both p of x and g of x. That means the dividend and the divisor. For both you have to check. So now here I am taking the next as the divisor is x minus 2. So the degrees are here, see, it is 1 and 0. So it is there in the decreasing order. Let us start the sum. So to start the decreasing order, we have to take what is the first term here and what is the first term here. So take the first term here as x to the power of 6 divided by the divisor is x. So here both the places you have variable x. So write it as x, and here the power is 1. Subtract the powers. 6 minus 1 gives you 5. So here quotient you can write it as x to the power of 5. Now take this quotient and multiply it with each term one time. X to the power of 5 into x gives you x to the power of 6. Plus into minus is minus. X to the power of 5 into 2 is 2x to the power of 5. So I can draw the line. I have to eliminate each term. I eliminate at least one term in each step. So here see x to the power of 6, x to the power of 6 is there, 2x to the power of 5, 2x to the power of 5. So both the terms are same. So to eliminate, I have to change the sign because both are plus. So I have to change the sign to eliminate the terms. So I have eliminated this, I have eliminated this. Now it is 0x4, 0x cube, 0x square. So where it here, in this question it is not useful, but whereas in the other questions it may be useful. So I need not take down this, I'll straight away take down this, that is 2x plus 2. Now if I take this, the first term of the dividend, that is minus 2x, and the first term of the divisor, it is x. So now the sign has come. Here there is no sign, so we were not bothered. But now here there is a sign, that is minus divided by plus is minus, 2 divided by 1 is 2. The variables are x only. So here 1 and 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So that means the x and x cancel. So x will not come here. So now what is your quotient? It is minus 2. So similarly as we did this, you do it in this also. Now you have to forget this, do this. Minus into plus, it is minus. 2 into x, it is 2x. Minus into minus, it is plus. 2 2s are, it is 4. Now I have to eliminate at least one term. So but these terms are equal, I can eliminate, so I can change the sign. So this got eliminated. Here the greater number is 4. The greater number sign is minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer has end. The question has end. We cannot divide anymore. So your remainder is minus 2. So here the option B is the correct answer. It is minus 2. Let's do the next question. The polynomial x square minus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Find q of x and r of x. In the previous question it was asked only r of x. Here they have asked you q of x also. And this question is also related to division process. So once it is division, then we have to check whether the degrees of the given polynomial is in the decreasing order. So now it is 2, 1 and 0. It is there in the decreasing order. So we need not worry. We can just start the sum just writing the polynomial. And what is the divisor? X minus 1. That also it is there in the decreasing order. So let's do the sum. That is first term of the divisor is x square, and here the first term is x. So the numbers both are 1. So we need not write 1. The variable is x. Power is 2. Power is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So if you write or don't write, it does not matter. So I can take it as x. So x into x gives you x square. Plus into minus, minus. X into 1 is 1x. I have to eliminate one term. So this is equal. So I can eliminate. This is same. So I can eliminate. So this gets cancelled. So here the minus value, the greater number has minus sign. I am subtracting the number. That is 1. If you write or don't write, it does not matter. So now the divisor's first term is minus x. Dividend first term is minus x, and the divisor first term is x. So since the sign comes, I have to first divide the sign. Minus divided by plus is minus. Here also 1 power, here also 1 power. It will get cancelled. So nothing is there, means it is 1. So we can take it as minus 1. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into x, 1x. Minus into minus, plus. 1 ones are 1. I have to change the sign to eliminate. So both will get eliminated, you will get 0. So that means r of x is 0, whereas q of x is x minus 1. So where is x minus 1 and 0? It is in the first option, A. That is the correct option. So in today's class we have learned few multiple choice questions from the chapter Polynomials, and few more I will be doing in my next video. Till then, please like, share and subscribe.